the monkey. This movement, as we sink our tailbone into the earth, rooting into the ground, let your body gently rotate to the right, extending your arms away from the center of your body. Feel your spine gently twist left and right, not mattering which side matches up, let you feel yourself comfortable through the movement. Ideally, we will inhale as our arms expand, then exhale as our arms come together. Here's our side view, so you can see how the tailbone sinks underneath. We root into the earth, raising our spine to the sky as our hand floats just beside our eyes and extending back out again. Letting your palms both face the sky as they both float back to your heart, inhaling and exhaling through the movement. Let your eyes follow your hands to each hand that floats behind you. Breathing out, and this is we'll be moving on to parting the horse's mane. Here is a closer view of our arm movements. Laying your extended palm in front, face the sky. As your right palm or left palm comes forward, pushing the proverbial monkey off your hand. Both hands rotate to finish at the end, and then float forward to push the monkey off of your hand to begin again. Letting both palms come together and opening at the same time, but not as important in the beginning. As if you were standing in the pool, swimming forward with your feet in place. Turning to engage our next movement in our next video.
Well, that concludes today's class. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Practice these moves over and over because there really is no one time when we get it. Tai Chi is a practice of a lifetime. No matter if we're 6 or 96, which is the age groups that I work with, you will find serenity, being in the moment, and practical application in all the moves that we have through this form. Remember, we have one life, one body. Make the most of both. And please don't forget, down below here, subscribe so you can see all the other videos that we have coming for you. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day and be well.